Here's how quick and easy it is to get started with Trainline for Business. Simply sign up, click your email activation link, and voila! Add employees in a few clicks and wave goodbye to last-minute invoices or expenses, as everything's synced under your admin account. Here's how it works. After your employees activate their accounts, choose whether you give them admin or booking privileges, no matter who makes the booking. Your employees will get tickets on their phone. You also get 1. Full visibility and control with easy access to expenses, spending reports, and more. 2. One account for your whole team, with all tickets viewable on the Trainline app. 3. Centralized payments options. Either use Trainline Diners Club International or pay with a personal card. Check out Trainline for Business's how-to guide to learn more or sign up now.